think I think I
Inuubo kanina umaga.
Second beat.
Nawala naman.
Paano yung ubo?
Nawala. Pero may bigat pa rin. Pero di na ganun ka-manageable na. Magkakaya ko na mag-activity. Push up ako. Pinush up ko. Push up, lakad-lakad, tubig, lakad-lakad, pilinga-hinga, saka 100 days. Saka 100.
Hi, Kel.
Hi! Welcome to our guys!
Gate. Mag-hi ka.
Waterproof ba yan? Hindi.
Baby, best. Okay ka naman sa sombrero mo.
Ah?
Fiancé.
Congrats our newly engaged.
Hi sa vlog! Hi bro! So, this is our second day. We're going to Mualboal. The travel time is estimated 2 to 3 hours. It's 91 kilometers to be exact from Cebu City. So keep updated. Okay. Bye bro. Allergy na ako. Hindi ko nga alam kung saan ako na-allergy. Mango shit. Tikman mo. Here comes the plane. Open, open. Take your mango steam. Ayot naman siya. Ay, makakaya lang.
Kiss ko na lang. Hindi kikiss ko yung mango.
Patayo mo ba?
Ayun nga.
Yawa meaning good afternoon, right?
Yawa.
I'm not sure if it's right. No, it's only for fun. Yes, it's fun. So in Manila, where's the place you stay? Taguig. Taguig.
Oh, Taguig. Taguig po.
Alam mo na kung may condo sila.
Mamaya.
Oh, baka lang na ng ban.
Uy, invite mo sila sa mga tour mo.
Mamaya tutropahin natin to.
Ano mo, nakapunta sila ng Baguio, Puscalan.
Have you heard about Baguio? Baguio
City.
Baguio City. No.
Summer capital din, di ba?
This is located at Kalinga, Benguet province. Okay. From Manila, maybe around 3 to 4 hours.
South? North?
North.
Oh. But We want to see Banaue.
Banaue is terraces.
Yes. We want to go there.
Ako ang mod.
You know this oldest Mambo Batok in the Philippines?
Tattoo artist.
Tattoo artist. Have you heard?
We heard about it.
You want to go there? Do you want to go there?
Di ba pupunta kayo kailan yun? Di ba?
No tattoo for me. I don't like tattoos.
You don't like tattoos. Because this old lady, when you go there and then you're handsome, good looking, this lady is very old, 106 years old. If she will make a tattoo in your skin, after that she will touch your balls, fucking balls. And that's true. If you search this one in YouTube, you will see.
I don't want to see.
How old are you?
21.
21.
Same age.
21, 21, 21, 20.
Oh.
Kaso sa ilalim din naman yan.
Oo, walang alam sa ilalim eh. Babagay yung alam.
Ibabaw lang ang alon yan.
TV.
Ka lang magpapanik. Uy! Sa bibig ka lang magpapanik.
Di naman niya malalaglag eh. Huwag mo siya kaya, hawakan mo lang siya.
Sabi nila, kinakabahan ako bago.
Sige, baba. Let's go! Baby, wag ka magpapanik ha.
Wala mga jacket dyan. Baka may nalakay kayo dyan. Jadi habang para sa looter, ma'am. Transit ka muna sa kabilo.
Kahit mag-hilo ka. Pero kung ka sa makakapagano. Okay na, okay na. Salamat kuya. Ano pakiramdam?
Fulfilled.
Di ba? Ang saya, di lang na nakakita ng torte eh. Pero okay na dun. Goods na din. The best. Hindi na